Welcome to one more tutorial from Floori.io. Hi, welcome to one more tutorial from Floori.io. My name is Majd, I'm a solution architect, and today I'm going to show you how to add a floor to your Floori Portal. So when you log into the Floori Portal, you're going to see that you can add categories, which are basically collections of your floors, and you can add floor or product. So we click on Add Product. We choose the floor type, so let's choose LVT. We give it a name, let's call it test. You will put the SKU number for the reference. Of course, you can be also adding more details here as manufacturer, supplier, and many other parameters. Of course, you're going to put a description, and you will choose the room scenes where you would recommend for your customers to use this exact product. Now, the next step is we're going to choose a preview image or a thumbnail of that product, and then we hit next. This step over here is pricing and options. This is where we are going to specify the length and the height, or the width and the height of the product. So I'm choosing here in millimeters, but of course you can be choosing any dimension, any unit. You can add the price, which is adding the price in for the squared meter of that exact product, the weight, the thickness, many other parameters can be added here too. The URL of the product, so that your client can be directed always to your products page on the website, and uploading the textures of this floor. So it is always recommended to add individual blanks of your floors. So let us select a couple of those blanks for the same product. So the more, the merrier. The more blanks we have, the better quality our visualization is going to be. So I'm choosing here a couple of these blanks. Of course, you can choose plenty of them and add them at once. I'm going to pause the video until the upload is done. So as you can see, the blanks have been added. Okay, so we clicked on done and we saved. And now the texture is being generated. Of course, it's going to take it around 2 minutes so that this texture is going to be ready on your visualizer. So let us wait for the loading to happen. But before we wait for that, we can, of course, add a grout if necessary. And we can also choose some patterns over here for the client's visualization. So I'm going to stop it again. Let's wait for the texture being generated. So now the textures are generated and we can save, accept, and there we go. We have a product that has been added to our account. So right now we can click on Launch Floori Light. And once we've launched Floori Light, we're going to select one of those room scenes, and there you go. We have a product called Test added to our visualizer. And of course we can change the pattern, and we can shuffle the view and the layout. And this is how you add a floor to your visualizer. Thank you for watching. Let us know if you need any help.